Macintosh?
Oh! Hey, Ziggy. I'm back to put out the fires.
Same. We need to save the people of Mantavia.
Okay, I'm ready, Ziggy.
Macintosh, I'm glad you're back.
Yeah. Let's save the people of Mantavia.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's wait until we get a call.
Ziggy, I'm getting a call from my ear.
Okay, then answer it. What happened?
The baker's daughter is missing.
Let's go.
Ah! Oh no, I woke up. School. Dad, what's for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Okay, see you. You love you guys. This class is so boring.
Macintosh, wake up. You were asleep for like 30 minutes. Run.
Oh yeah.
We need to find the baker's daughter.
All right, let's go.
Let's look for clues.
Look for clues. Don't keep us looking so fast. We need to study.
I figured here.
Fingerprints would be nice.
We don't have any clues. We're just firefighters.
Oh, I know. What does this say? Paper towels.
I can't find anything.
Nothing but plates in there. Oh, under here. Milton. What's that? Oh, nothing. Anything in here? What are we gonna do? I haven't dreamed of Mantavia in a while. I wonder how Ziggy's doing. I wonder if he found the baker's daughter. I want to go dream. Oh, that was kind of fun. Wait, I'm dreaming. All right, where's Ziggy?
Ziggy?
Ziggy, where are you?
Hey! Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy!
Ziggy. Where's Ziggy?
Macintosh? Macintosh! Where the heck were you? Just spit it out. You've been gone for 3 months.
I was dreaming. What?
You don't deserve the same way. Dang, the birds sound weird today. Okay, come on. Macintosh, look, it's the baker's daughter. We're here to return you home.
I don't want to go home.
You have to. Your dad wants you home. Come on.
After we safely returned her home, I'm going to say goodbye forever.
Bye.
I just need to go on.
I'm gonna miss you. You're my best friend.
I'll show you how my voice would have made an unbelievable baby girl. Oh, okay, Joy.
I can't stand to see you cry. I can't stand to see you cry. If tears stand to see you cry.
I can't stand to see you cry, no.